How to tag someone on Instagram Reel. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram to the latest version. After updating it, open up Instagram on a device. Now simply tap on the plus icon at the bottom menu. Again tap on Reel. Now tap on OK. Now simply upload the video or record the reel. Now tap on Not Now. Now simply tap on Next at the bottom right corner. Again tap on OK. Now tap on Tag People. Again tap on the plus icon. Now type the person name. Now tap on the account and tap on Next. Now simply tap on Share. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.